Hoy vamos a tener una lección sobre los usos de los verbos ser y estar. Today's lesson will be on the two verbs that both mean to be, ser and estar, for which we have the acronyms doctor and place. The conjugations for the verbs will be right here. Here we have an acronym to help us remember most of the uses of ser, with some additional to be mentioned. Ser and estar are both used for descriptions and characteristics. However, ser is not used to talk about feelings, emotions, or conditions. So let's start with the first use of ser. Description is focused on external or physical traits visible on the outside. Soy bajo, or es alto, for tall and short. Eres flaca, or eres gordo, if you're skinny or fat. Es verde el fondo, if you're talking about the background I'm using. For occupation, the acronym itself, with the two images on the side, is a good example. Soy doctor. Ser is used with adjectives to express inherent or essential qualities which fall under characteristics. For example, son simpáticos, they are friendly. Es estudiosa, she is devoted to studying. These inner qualities do not include emotions. Ser is also used to describe time as well. For example, if you wanted to know when something was going to happen, you could ask, ¿Cuándo es? ¿O qué día es? ¿O qué hora es? Another use for ser is to state a noun's place of origin, such as soy mexicano, son estadounidenses, or you could also say es de los Estados Unidos. The use of relationship is commonly used to show how people are related or to show possession. In a family, you can say es mi hermano, hermana, padre, madre, etc. You can also show possession of other nouns and say es mi lápiz. Ahora es tiempo para estar. For estar, we have the acronym place represented on the top right by some places from Hispanoamerica, all the places that speak Spanish. Position is a type of location. Although they are separate words, consider position and location as synonymous terms here. La estudiante está sentada o parada. The girl is sitting or she is standing. Along with position is location, used to express where a noun is, except for telling where an event takes place. Ejemplo, el baile es en mi casa está en Madrid, España. Es states where the dance is taking place, while está gives the location of the place. Use estar and the present participle, that is the ing ending, to describe actions that are now happening. Están bailando. You can also say está bailando. Despacito. Now for the last two uses. Conditions and emotions are usually temporary in a sense. This point will be very, very crucial for distinguishing between ser and estar, because ser is used for more permanent traits, while estar is used for more temporary conditions or emotions. Algunos ejemplos: está enfermo, está feliz. Perhaps the hardest thing with ser and estar is the fact that you could use one adjective with both, but the meaning will be different. It's time to use ser and estar with some of the adjectives below and any others you could find online through Spanish dictionary or word reference to do some examples.
Dry and tasteless.
It's dry, it's...
Dry? How dry that is. Dry.
Yeah, dry.
It's the soup.
It's drier than the Sahara Desert.
Soft, bland, rubbery.
bland as anything. You're just bland.
Bland.
There's no seasoning in there. Everything's bland. Bland. It's bland. Pasta's bland.
How's our signature dish?
Bland as...
Como pueden ver, Gordon Ramsay es ruidoso, antipático, inglés, malo, impaciente y está enojado, ofendido, gritando, hablando y comiendo. As a final activity, use ser and estar to describe the people in these next two clips as best you can.
Great time to score. Look at this. 1, 2, round hand. Kicks away from Rico. One more defender inside. Bang. Oh, he's just unbelievable. How do you stop him? And you think three of them around him, he's not going to get past the ball. He does. Then he takes on the fourth, comes inside.